Oh boy. And let's draw the path of the sweep first. Make sure it's tangent. And then I think it going straight after that. And what's the angle between these two straight sections? Does it say? 10 degrees. And 1 inch flat to tangent arc. The outside radius is 2 1/4. The diameter of the thing is 0.8. So what we can do is say 2.25 minus 0.8 divided by 2. That'll account for the thickness of the profile. 4.9 top to tangent arc. And now we're fully defined. Okay. Now my top plane is here. Nice. So let's sketch the profile. And what is it? 0.8? Yeah, 0.8. Okay, good. Sweep this along that. What next? How do we pinch that thing? Let's put a plane normal to that thing. Actually, we need to make connector first. Can I put one? Shoot. How about a plane depth? We want a tangent plane. And flip alignment. How does it know where to put it? Just by default. Normal to the perpendicular default geometry? I guess that's going to be good enough. Okay. So now we can sketch the cutout. View normal to that plane. Let's put a sketch here. So make sure it's tangent. And then we want a line going back up. And a line going to that. And we're going to make that horizontal. Could do symmetry and mirror. Maybe I'll just draw the whole thing. Tangent. Make that horizontal. This and this must be equal. This and this must be equal. This and this must be equal. This and this must be collinear. This and this must be equal. Let's put a line here for construction. That line is 0.3. We're going to put a make connector here. On shape. And now in this sketch, if we put it before the sketch, we can refer to that to find the center. Let's put that point in the middle of that. So now we can make this and that coincident. Nice. Radius, we know radius. Let's put that 0.275. And from the top to tangent arc, we know that as well. 0.8. Our degree of freedom is just how wide this is, which we know this is just going to be all the way. Actually doesn't matter, since we're just chopping that through. Okay. As long as it's wider than the handle is, we're good. So now let's do an extruded cut up to next, up to face. I guess blind is fine. I just don't like doing blind. We don't want through all. Blind for an inch. I guess that's fine. Okay. Red fillets are 0.1875. One eight seven five. What does this do? Nothing. Okay. And all the rest are 0.06. Well, let's punch the hole through first. I'm gonna roll that back. Where's the hole go? So point 0.5. And 0.4 from the edge. How do we exactly know where the edge is? Will it let me do from here to there? Nope. What if we were to make a line for construction from here to here and make the line parallel with that? Nope, not equal. Parallel. Parallel. Can't see. Parallel. Behind the screen sharing thing, which won't move. Okay. And now we can make this and that pierce. That work for me? Nope. Shoot. Now what? How do you make it normal to something tangent to something that's not on this plane. Or wait, no, I'm doing this wrong. We know it's centered. We can then go like that. And this is for construction. And we're gonna make this and that parallel, which is B. Okay. Now we're gonna make this and the midpoint of that coincident. There we go. Now all we're missing is where it is up and down, which is 0.44. Easy enough. Probably there. Actually, the line is 0.44. And extrude through all. Now we can fill it. After rolling this to the end, and our radius is going to be 0.06. Is that right? You think that's right? Oh, wait, and we want this up here to be 0.06. And now there's a hole in the middle of that. How far is that hole drilled? Just a straight hole, that's easy enough. And this is 0.3. And we're going to remove 4.55. Okay, I think that's it. Final check. Did we get everything? Let's try it. And so, what is this made out of? ABS? 10, 20. Okay. Let's try submitting 0.198. 0.198. 0.198. Whew. What's the average time? I got it just under the average. That's not great.